Plenty of time really to set up a good shot here.
So, you gotta release it about now. Anong walang lift?
Saka he didn't really have a real good angle. Couldn't see the side of the ring. Masyadong nakakanta siya doon sa kanyang dribble.
Good point. It's actually down to 6:42. Wide open. There we go. Running with a 3-on. It's a 4-on-2. Subid opting to go. What a great display of touch passes.
You might want to bring back from share again because Alaska, he never retreated back to the zone. Yeah. You need somebody to
fire from the outside.
You need a zone buster.
Who you're gonna call?
Yung sinasabi ko, pag tupasok ang bola sa post, dahil sa liit nila and they don't want Eric Neng to foul, lahat ng mga maliliit kumukulaps, tumutulong, tumatapik. Baka sakali makaagaw sila. Kung hindi, because they're not in the penalty, they're willing to gamble. At saka hindi naman foul trouble yung mga maliliit nila.
Excellent inside, Dr. J. At least they're trying to protect Eric Neng approach. This shot.
Finally a big shot. 3-point shot. Skyrus Baguio. Bata natin yun.
This is it. Wow.
J.J. Helterman having one of his better offensive games with 12 in the ball game now.
15-foot jump shot yan. Linis talaga. Every good guard should have that 15-footer. Inside we go.
Eric can do nothing to contest that. Pero ang suwat nila, di pumasok. Counter steal by Eric Tenorio at may foul dun kay Tubig coming to try to get it back.
Dali lang. Medyo may kasarapang humiga rito. Dali lang. Saka nasaktan din ng konti. Ayun, no? Yun.
Kailan punasan natin yan. May pawis mo yan. Willie Miller coming back in for Mark Aguila and also Ambers. You need somebody to help Eric Neng also on the rebounding there kasi siya nagsosolo ng malaki dun sa ilalim sa zona nila. But we don't know. They can go back to man-to-man here if they want to. Sanitos, by the way, back in the ball game, bringing some big people there.
Remember kasi pag small, ang bilis nila, no? They're so potent. But again, you must have a ball to be potent.
Yeah, you can't play without the ball. There's nobody who's scored without the ball, you know.
Yet.
You can do that. If there is ways you can say that you can play without the ball. You go get the rebound, then you follow up. Pero hindi na condition sa'yo yung bola.
Scramble. Hook shot!
Another foul downstairs. It's on Anders. Anders. Hindi ako nakarinig na pinitong ganyan.
Sa mga importer. Usually, yun yung lahat spelled out eh.
Kasi yung mga Brown, katulad yan, marami.
Johnson.
Sila sa Michael and Perry yan, yung katulad yan.
Donnie Ray Coons pa dati.
Yung medyo pambirang pangalan. He's pretty good. Played with Toyota, also played with Alaska.
Hanes is our official underwear for the PBA, of course. Ako one of the favorites kay Enis Watley.
Played with Norman. Played in the NBA, malayo yung tira na yun. Way of life. Single ko, umi-slice yun all the way.
Yun, tira ko. Papunta sa kabilang board course yun.
You know, it was fading all the way. It was going to the left. It was drawing all the way, I'm sorry.
Draw. Slice kanan eh.
Slice kanan.
Hindi ako yun. Sino yun? Sino ba kilala ko magaling sa ganyan?
Maraming nag-i-slice sa palo. Oh, Willie's gonna get a freebie here. Oh, namasel pa si Willie.
Katuanay sa Osmeña Print eh.
Nagpunta doon sa...
Sa Larjan.
Oo, nagpunta sa Mango Avenue. Naikot pa doon. Bumili pa ng chicharon doon. Sa alto doon. Dalawa na lamang dito ang lamang ng Alaska.
Ito, kapit kayo bayan. Kapit kayo bayan. Walang bibitaw ito ha.
Grudge match ito.
Oo. Open.
Way of the mark for LA tonight.
Here comes Barangay Hinebra. An opportunity to tie up this ballgame. They're going to be slow and deliberate about this.
The dalawang three scorers there in the backcourt.
Inside the box we go. Good curl, but the block. You know, in that game that Barangay Ginebra won against Barako Energy Coffee, they grinded out. I'm sorry for the analogy, but they really grinded out.
Yeah, they were down 9 points with 2 minutes to go. And Eric Meng started working in a big three-point shot for Celino Cruz. This time, Eric is still working, but missing a very important free throw. Well, they still need one, whatever, you know. Eric, you can see he's tired, sweating, 19 points, 9 rebounds, one more to be a double-double for him.
Free throw brought to you by BMEG BS Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Liamado. And a chance to recycle, but we're in a rush here. Gula sa ilalim.
Yung loose ball foul is going to be called against Ambers. And Makagiwa really shot that one a little bit too early. That was a great offensive rebound by Ambers. They took the ball out. But he was open, so we can't blame him. Could have had a route of effect if he'd have done him. Penalty na dito ang Barangay Ginebra, so free throw shots para sa offended party. In this case being Diamond Simpson.
Kasi medyo unique din ang name ito. Ha?
Yeah. Well, the Simpsons are all over on TV. But Diamond is not a common name, like you said. Yep. But he is a jewel.
No question about it. Literally, figuratively.
And an offensive rebound there by Tony De La Cruz. Now boxing out by Ambers. He let De La Cruz get that offensive rebound from behind.
Yes, indeed.
So the positioning was not right.
They're zipping it around. Tough angle to work with. Rebound. Ambers trying to take away.
Yun ang mabigat. Nakuha mo na rebound. Inagaw sa'yo. Nagkaroon ng layup na mabilis.
Maibaba niya yung buwan no?
Not taking care of the ball.
And we'll take to the full time, Dr. J.
I think so.
I think